Hello friends, welcome to my channel. On this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I am showing a traditional recipe that is Alasanda vada. I have soaked Alasandalu or black-eyed beans for at least 4 hours and drained it. Now transfer to a blender and also add 4 to 5 green chillies chopped, 1 inch of ginger and make it as a coarse paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want, you can add 2 or 3 spoons of water and make it as a coarse paste. Now transfer to a bowl and also add handful of coriander leaves, handful of onions finely chopped and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and mix this until well combined. Now in a paniyaram pan, add oil and drop a spoon of batter and cook it for 2 minutes on a medium to high flame and flip it over once it is done on bottom side and cook for 2 more minutes. If you want, you can even deep fry it. Now drain out the excess oil and take it into the plate and enjoy these delicious vadas. Thanks for watching.